Hi friends, this is Neha from SM Creatives, and today I'm going to show you how to create a very simple 4th of July party invitation using these red and blue and gold watercolor florals on Canva. Now it's super easy. Canva is a free online app that you can use. It's almost as easy as creating it on MS Word or Pages. Now if you're more comfortable with MS Word or Pages, then use that. I have tutorials on how to create invitations on MS Word and Pages as well. I'll leave them below in the links. Now, if you want to go ahead and use Canva to do it, that's also great. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create 4th of July party invitations on Canva. So we're going to be creating a design like this. So first of all, you're going to open canva.com. Just simply type in canva.com. If you don't have an account, then create a free account. It's absolutely free to use. So I have a free account as well. Then you're going to click on create a design, custom dimensions. We're going to use inches because most invitations are 5 by 7 inches. You can always choose any other any other dimensions that you wish. For example, if you want to make a square invitation, you can do that. It's really up to you. Create design. Now this launches Canva's own design interface. So here's our canvas. First of all, we're going to get our graphic into this. Now the way that I like to easily load my graphics into Canva is I just open the folder which has the graphics. These are the red, blue and gold watercolor florals. I want to use this bouquet. So I'm just going to drag and drop it into Canva. And since I dragged and dropped it, Canva is automatically adding it as an image to my image folder. So you see there's a little progress bar over here. When it's done, I'll know that the photo is fully loaded. But even before that, I can just click on it and the image appears. So you can change the size, just drag and drop at the corners. You can rotate it easily using this little toggle over here. So yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with this. Maybe I'll rotate it a little bit. Yeah. So I like how there are all these watercolor splatters and little gold highlights and details. I think this color combination is just perfect for 4th of July and patriotic designs. So yeah, now I'm happy with where my florals are. Next thing that I'm going to do is add my text. So for that, you're going to go to the text tab over here and choose one of these. I think I'm going to, what I like doing is I just like starting with the this option. Just click on it and this appears, and then I adjust the size and font and everything from here. So you can move it using this toggle. Maybe I'll make it a little bit bigger to start with, and then I'm going to reduce the size. Just something whimsical. You can change the size, something smaller. Yeah. And then you can just align it. Now when you move your text or your graphics about, Canva will give you these grid lines so that you're aligned, your text is properly aligned. I find that very convenient. Okay. Next I'm going to add another bit of text. Put the line and move it down here. You can just click on the little text box and it'll let you add more text in. Right. I'm going to go in and change the fonts a little later. Don't really want this. If you don't want it, just click on delete and it goes away. I'm going to add some more details. So this is where you're going to want to add some more details like your address. Maybe I'll add a line on RSVP. And just move it corner here, at the bottom. You see this is slightly different from the one that I showed you, but yeah, there you go. So you can change the text by just selecting the text that you want to change and come here for fonts. There are lots of very nice free fonts, like this is a great accent font. The ones that you see a crown next to are premium fonts, and you're going to have to pay for the premium version of Canva to get that. But there are lots of non-premium fonts as well, which I like using. So I think I'm going to use this. Now you see it went to the other line. I didn't want that, so you can just stretch it from the side and it'll come back to the same line. You can change the font size over here. Just make it a little bold. Move it about. Center. Change this font. You can just do a lot of things. I actually liked what was there before that, so I'm just going to click on Control Z or Command Z to undo. I've undone it. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with the design as it stands now. You can make more edits, add more information. It's really up to you. Once you're satisfied with the design, you're going to save it. So you're going to go to download, and then it gives you this option of file type. So for an invitation like this, which I'm probably going to send over a text message, or even if you want to print it, well, if you want to print it, you want to save it as a PDF print, because this will be a 300 dpi file, which is appropriate for printing. If you want to just send it as a digital file, then you can save it as a JPG file. It's great. I'm going to save it as a JPG. Click on download, and there you have it. So it's so easy and quick to design your own projects using Canva or Microsoft Word, any software that you feel comfortable with. And yeah, I hope you found this tutorial helpful to you, and subscribe to my channel if you liked it, and I'm going to link to all the resources that I've used in this design down below, so you can use them for your projects as well. Thank you.